Hey guys, sorry it's bad lighting, but my brother's watching TV, so sorry that it's so loud. Just gonna set that over there. So today I'm making slime. That's basically all. And what you will need is you will need some body wash. I'm using Cares. You will also need, so my lens solution ran out, and you put salt and water, and then you shake it up. And you can use paint. I don't need paint because mine's already going to be purple. And I'll keep adding stuff as we go, as we need. We may need glue, just so you know. You need something to stir with and something to mix in. So first you're going to add a lot of this, or as much as you want, as body wash. Okay. That is all I'm gonna make, just in case. Okay. Then you're gonna take your salt water. You're gonna add very little bit in. Okay. And then you're gonna stir. Woo. Oh gosh, that's actually kind of working. I'm sorry. But you're going to add more as you need. So. You got to mix it a lot, okay? Like, until you see it starts forming. Mine's forming pretty well. See how it's clumping together? I touch it and barely any gets on my fingers. Okay, let's stir it a little bit more and try. Okay. Nope, none on my finger. I'm sorry, it's so bad of lighting. Okay, but then if you try and touch it like deeper in, like dig your finger in, a lot gets on your finger. And then if it does that, if yours is fine and you've mixed it enough, you may need a tiny bit of glue. Don't add a lot, like not even a tablespoon, like half of a tablespoon would work. I'm just gonna guesstimate. Well, guesstimate. If my glue will come out. Okay, it's coming. Ooh, very slow, very slow. Okay, I'm guessing that's enough. Now it looks like that. Okay, and then we're gonna stir it again. Oh, it smells extra good. Okay, that's sort of working. Need a little bit more salt water. Maybe add a lot more salt. If I can find my salt. Sorry guys, I can't find my salt. It's like looking for my salt. Okay. Here it is. Sorry. I'm gonna set that up so it doesn't fall. Okay. You may need to add a lot more salt.
When I said fight for her, I didn't mean to tell you. No, what would you do if some Roy Rogers wannabe was making move on your girl? She's not your girl. What, you've never been in a fight over a woman? No. Liar. Hey, you look beautiful.
Okay. Now shake it up. If it's not coming together, it means you're not adding enough salt. Mine's coming together really well. Okay. Whoa, that works a lot. Alright, then you gotta keep stirring. I'll be right back until it's all put together. Okay, I took it out and I added a little bit more salt. Here, let's see if I can get a better lighting. Or I didn't add more salt. I added some paint. If I said that, nope. I don't know. But it's really good. But mine wasn't stretchy enough. So take some lotion and just add a tiny bit. It depends how big your batch is. Okay. But that's what I got. So you add some lotion, then you mix it in. It'll become very sticky at first with the lotion in, but then it'll get better and more stretchy. Actually, it's not really slime. It's more like, I'm gonna say dough. It's more like putty. There we go. That's it. And it's like, it's a good consistency. Oh my. That's really stretchy.
I know, I just don't understand why everybody's celebrating. High school's over, everything's gonna change.
Okay. Let's try and stretch it.
Amy, you got a great future ahead. When do you take that scholarship?
Alright. So I'm gonna go. And if you guys try this recipe, comment down below. It's awesome. Really works. Yeah, it works better with 2-in-1 shampoos or conditioner, 2-in-1 body wash and shampoo or something. But it still worked with my shampoo for some reason. So, bye.